I was in a motorcycle accident, hit by a girl who made a U-turn in front of the motorcycle on a highway. The right leg was heavily damaged. I was thrown off the motorcycle and cut my head open. A total of 32 days in the hospital, 6 months out of work. I found out I'm allergic to titanium, so it started to infect my leg even worse. Another surgery to take it back out. What they put in 10 hours to put in took 10 hours to take out. I have to continue to have 3 pins in my leg forever. They can't come out because of the shattering that happened to my bones, so they will always be there. Okay, first thing, I was unconscious for the first 3 days of the accident. So my stepmother came in and knew that this was not my responsibility and that I had to have an attorney. So therefore, she took control over that and started looking on the internet and saying, you know, very important to help yourself because no one else is going to cover me. Online through her blog, which is why she chose her. I would say 2 weeks later is really when everything started because I had to have an immediate surgery during the accident. And then because of that surgery, there was another surgery scheduled 2 weeks later. And because of that issue, Dianne got called in because there was all kinds of stuff happening at the hospital. They coded it wrong at the hospital, as in it was my fault for the accident. Therefore, I was responsible for every ounce of what was happening to me, and that wasn't the case. Dianne had to go in and Dianne had to say she was hurt by someone else. They had to recode everything, and she is the one that fought for me to have my surgeries the correct way. I had a team, and I spoke to all 3 quite often, actually, in the last year and a half. So they were very intricate with their emails, their phone calls, letting me know what was going on, all of that. So we were pretty tight-knit, I guess you could say, for the last year. To protect yourself, to make sure that you are taken care of when something like this happens. Because, again, I had $300,000 worth of doctor's bills that I didn't create, but I was responsible for. And because of my attorney, the driver was responsible, not necessarily me. No, you can't. No, you can't. I couldn't do it on my own. You don't even know where to begin. So, yeah, an attorney is your best source of information, and they do stand up and fight for you and what you want. The ending.
Good.
It's done. It's over. Now I'm stress-free. Let's put it that way. Oh my. I was taken well care of. You guys were awesome. I have no complaints, so I can't speak for anyone else. But yeah, you guys took well care of me. Strictly based on her business ethics, she's very smart, very intuitive. She knew exactly what it was that she needed to do for me. She, didn't hold back, and that's what I appreciate from her. She let me know and kept me informed on everything, and I think any person who's been in this type of situation needs that.